All the people that are saying like homes should not be looked at as an investment. Look, the young people are looking at 84% of them are looking at that as it's a good investment.
Yeah, not all young Canadians have given up buying a home, and here's why.
And they shouldn't.
Absolutely. This survey was done by Royal LePage and included those that were born from 86 to 2006. Okay?
Super.
All right. A little over half, in this case 54%, of those in that age group said they believe that home ownership is an achievable goal.
Despite all the horrible news.
Right?
News
Despite
headlines,
everything
right?
what everybody's saying. 1 in 5, however, said they don't think it's in the cards for them. Now, here's what I would say.
That's fine.
If you don't think it's possible, it will not be possible. You will not find a way to figure it out. Your brain actually starts to shut down recognition of opportunities because you've already made a decision of what's possible or not possible. More than half, 52% of those surveyed said that they don't have enough saved for a down payment and probably never will. I'm going to come back to mindset. We've talked about mindset, and that if that is our mindset, that we never will.
It won't.
It won't. Yeah. Well,
I think it really helps to see examples of like that success.
Yeah.
So if your parents owned a house or if they own multiple properties, you're more than likely as to own a home yourself. And if they own more properties, you're even more likely, whatever the percentage is, increases.
However, many Canadians are still taking steps to hit that goal, the goal of home ownership. Some 45% of respondents said they're saving diligently and feel they'll have enough put aside in the near future to afford a home. Some 42% said that they are focusing on paying off bills and loans to maintain a quality credit score, and more than a third, 34%, are paring back discretionary spendings.
Super. Yeah.
Other plans and milestones are also taking a backseat to home ownership hopes for many. Young would-be buyers said that they're delaying or foregoing travel plans, 27%, foregoing living on their own, 17%, waiting to start a family, 14%, and saving, holding back on the saving for retirement. We're talking about now the young crowd, right?
Amazing.
Yeah.
Yes, I love to hear news like that.
So here's the comment from the Royal LePage CEO, Phil Sofer. In pursuit of home ownership, many young people are not only pausing small daily indulgences, but also making compromises that impact their long-term financial stability. So they're taking some steps, and we've talked about this a lot, about you get the process going, start something, take some steps, do something. The desire to push through comes from a belief among many of the respondents that home ownership is a good long-term investment and provides stability. Some 84% of those surveyed say they think owning a home is a worthwhile investment, with just under 3/4 saying it's a priority for them to achieve it in their lifestyle. Almost a third, 32%, said owning a home was part of their retirement plan, with another 45% citing stress over rent due to tenant-landlord policies.
All the people that are saying like homes should not be looked at as an investment. Look, the young people are looking at 84% of them are looking at that as it's a good investment.
Yeah, and they're looking at it and saying, hey, this is part of my future. This is part of my retirement. This gives me stability where I don't have a landlord coming and saying, oh, it's been a year, your rent is going to go up now, or whatever the case might be. All of those things. And we're talking about, again, what did we say? There were born in 86 to 2002.
What are they? They're under 20 until like 30 something, 34?
Yeah.
I don't know. The average homeowner, Canadian homeowner, is 4 times richer than a renter.
Wow.
Equity, life insurance, including liabilities, including credit card debt,
right,
including any discretionary debt.
Yeah,
it's 4 times richer.
It's to me, it's a great article.
We need more stuff like that.
Yeah, it's one that's not full of fear and the world is ending and we're all going to be renter nation.